Heard about Baldini's in Reno, had to go try Baldini's in Reno. Here we go. First timer here at Baldini's in Reno, and we just got the free game feature on Dancing Drums Explosion. So let's see, what do we want to do? Do we want to be a gambler? Let's be a gambler. Mystery pick. Oh, wow, I got 3 free games at 7. It's gonna be a full screen, baby. One of 3 spins. Good start. Let's do it again. Come on, big one. Oh, bummer. $45.90. Golden Coin Show, Dancing Drums Explosion at Baldini's in Reno. Little sportsbook close by GSR. All right, we got the feature again. Let's try and get... Come on. Do me better this time. Come on, 15. Jesus. Come on, drop the pot. All right, 2 drum additional spins. Hey, I already earned a free steak and shrimp dinner at Baldini's because I got 500 points already. I'm sure C already won too because, you know, she's the big baller. Come on, I need a big spin. One more. Come on, big finish. Wow, that was a stinker. $4.40. 88 cents. What do I expect? All right, here we are at Baldini's. First time. We got Buffalo Gold Evolution, trying to get that grand. So we're starting with 400 credits and spin again. Everything gets increased. Come on, give me some gold heads. Ah, free games already. Here we go. $4 and free games. Let's get some re-triggers and lots of gold heads. Come on. Let's go, Buffalo Gold Revolution. I need a re-trigger. Nice. What? Oh, I didn't count on that one. 2 more spins and we're out of the free games already. Come on, big finish, re-trigger something. Oh, man. Boo hiss, $8.90. Boo hiss.